Hey there, I'm Nicole Green, and welcome to another essential video in your grants management journey. Today we're answering the question, what's good enough when it comes to tracking private foundation grants? We'll cover simple ways to track expenses, staff time, and program outcomes without overwhelming your team. Because private funders want accountability, but not government-style audits. Let's start with money. Unlike federal grants, most private foundations don't expect you to follow uniform guidance or produce complex cost allocation plans. But they do want transparency. Here's what's typically good enough for private grants. A basic expense tracker with budgeted versus actual columns, categories that match your proposal, and receipts or proof of payment saved in folders. Narrative clarity is also key. Explain why something was spent and link it to outcomes. Pro tip: color code or flag any spending that deviates from the original plan. Then be ready to explain why. Staff time is often a major part of your grant, so how do you track it without drowning in timesheets? For private funders, a simple monthly time log is often enough, showing staff name, total hours worked on the grant, and a brief description of activities. It doesn't need to be broken down minute by minute, just high-level visibility that shows effort aligns with the grant's goals. Tools like Clockify, Toggle, or even Excel can keep things simple. Now let's talk about what really matters: impact. Private funders want to know, did you do what you said you'd do? Are you making a difference? Here's what to track: outputs, number of workshops, meals served, clients reached, outcomes, behavior change, skill improvement, testimonials. Don't underestimate qualitative data. Photos, quotes, videos are powerful additions to formal metrics. A simple monthly check-in or internal dashboard using Google Sheets or Airtable can help your team stay on track. Here's a simple rule. Focus on these 3 tracking buckets. Money, what was spent; time, who worked on what; impact, what changed. And guess what? Most funders don't expect perfection. They expect honesty, consistency, and a clear connection to the mission. Use templates, set calendar reminders, and don't wait until report time to gather your data. So there you have it, expense tracking time logs and impact tracking made simple for private foundation grants. Want templates for these trackers? Grab them here at Templates for Nonprofits, the startup shop. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more nonprofit tips, and drop a comment. How are you currently tracking your grant activities?